Hi everyone, this is Miss Sarah from Sparkling Memories. In front of you, we have some ribs we're going to get done today. We have the seasoning already placed on there. We come over here. We actually have the different type of seasonings from the maize, garlic, a rub, ground cumin, onion powder, garlic powder, paprika. These are some ribs right here. We already took off most of the membrane and the fat. You actually seen it on its back and not actually the front. When we combine all these flavors and seasonings, you actually get something that looks like this. This will actually be the rub that will actually be placed on the top of these ribs. And then when it's finally nicely rubbed with the seasoning, it should look something like this. And we put it in the oven so we can get started. Basically, it takes anywhere from 2.5 to 2 hours and about 15 minutes to make the ribs. So this is just the beginning part, but we're gonna get started. Hey everyone, we are here and we're actually back. We also have the baked beans. What you see there is a little bit of beef in there to give it a nice flavor for the beans. Over here you see in this boiling pot is the peas and rice. Then we have the vegetables. Today will be broccoli. And these ingredients you see here is to make the barbecue sauce for the ribs. We have ketchup, honey Dijon mustard, and Worcestershire sauce. And we put it in the bowl and we mix it together, and then we're going to put it on the ribs. I have not seen the ribs out of the oven as yet. It's been on for about 2 hours. So we're going to take that out in the oven. I have to use both hands because they tend to be heavy. Then we're going to come back and I'll show you exactly how they look after 2 hours. Here we have the ribs. We took it out of the foil paper. It was all wrapped up in there. This is after we done drain the liquids. Over here we have another one. We didn't drain the liquids as yet. See, these are all the liquids that come from the beef itself. We also have some water right here in the pot because we don't want our ribs to be dry. So at this point we already mixed our barbecue sauce. So now all we gotta do is place them onto the ribs, and then we put it back in the oven for another 10 to about 15 minutes. Hey everyone, here's the finished product of the ribs. We have the homemade sauce I was talking about, and then we went ahead and made some with the regular honey mustard barbecue sauce from Kraft. If you have forgotten or may not have remembered the ingredients to make the sauce, you can always use regular ketchup of any brand, probably a honey and a mustard separate, but I use honey Dijon mustard together and Worcester sauce. Here we have the vegetables, we have the broccoli, and then if we keep a little bit further, we have the peas and rice, and then we have the baked beans over here. So that would be a finished product. The tip is when you put it back in the oven, make sure they don't drain out all the juices. Leave a little bit in there because you don't want your ribs to be dry. And you just go ahead and enjoy the rest. See everything? This big old pot of my peas and rice. I couldn't do everything in terms of showing you guys step by step, but I try to give you at least the basics because some of the things like taking the ribs onto the oven, you literally have to have both hands, and especially when you're draining the rice. If you're not doing steamed rice and you're doing it in the boiling method and then drain out the excess water, then you probably need both hands. And I actually did it with a honey Dijon mustard because it will give you a nice taste, with spice to it instead of just a regular old plain stuff. And that, my son, is the ribs from the oven. Those differences is the sauce. One was homemade sauce and one was Kraft sweet and honey sauce. So you see the full meal. All I have to do is put it in a plate and then enjoy. But it wasn't as hard as I thought. It was pretty much easy. You just have to take your time and you know exactly what you want to put on there, whether you make your own rub or you actually use a store bought. I would suggest using both and actually adding your own spin to it. Maybe add an onion or garlic, and that'll make it even better. And here we have the finished product: the ribs, the peas and rice, the baked beans, and the broccoli. Hope you all enjoy.